Hey y'all, welcome to Hippie Chick. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Y'all, I just want to come on really quick and do a quick video of my roses. You guys, they are so beautiful this year. You know, the last time I did a video of my roses, they was really not doing very well. The bugs had ate them all up, and we was just trying to salvage them. But I just wanted to come on really quick and just show you guys how good they look, how they are surviving and thriving this year. I tell you guys, my husband has really been treating these roses this year. He really wanted to kind of get them to looking a little bit better, what have you, and they really are. Babe, can you zoom in so that the viewers can get a better look?
Okay.
I think
I'll come over and do it.
Okay then.
I'll do it.
Right.
Why can't I do it?
It's recording. All right, you guys, I'm sorry about that. I was trying to get my husband to zoom in, but he was having a little bit of trouble with the camera. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to walk back around, you guys, and try to zoom in so y'all can just see how beautiful these roses really are. And they're actually kind of, these are like the new blooms or what have you, but they're actually kind of dying down a little bit. But, that's what they do. They stay beautiful for so long, and then they kind of die down and come back out or what have you. But I really want to let you guys take a look at them. I'm going to come around real quick. Can y'all see that? Is that good? I can bring the tripod up a little bit if we need to. Look how beautiful they are. Oh my goodness, y'all. Y'all see that? Do y'all remember how they looked the last time and how the bugs had really eaten them up? I'm going to try and pan this way. Okay. I don't know how far this cord will let me go, but I'm gonna try and pick this up and walk with it, y'all. Hope I don't trip myself up.
You need help?
I got it. Thank you. All right, you guys. See, now that last one on the end, the last two really, but especially that last one, the blooms look really nice, and it's looking a whole lot better than what it was before. I'm gonna try and zoom. Well, that's it, as far as it can zoom. Let me see if that's clear.
Now you go further, right?
Yeah. All right, that looks good. And I'm gonna bring it up some because they are really nice looking. Get the camera, get the angle right, y'all. I hope my head won't be too chopped off. I just want to kind of point over here. This one right here, this one is always small. It never blooms up like the other ones, but it's doing so much better this year. So I'm really happy to see that. And this one is usually small too, but it's usually larger than the last one. So all of them are doing a whole lot better than they was maybe like a couple years ago. And I am so happy about that because I love my roses. And I really want to get me some yellow ones. What do they call, baby? Knockout roses? Is that what they're called?
That's
Knockout?
what these right here, knockout. Yeah.
Okay, knockout. I was trying to remember the name.
Oh, okay.
But I love them. And I want some yellow ones. So maybe we'll get some of those and put them in the backyard. It's kind of what I'm hoping. But yeah, I just want to come on real quick, you guys, and show you all my roses and how good they are looking. I am really pleased with them. As you can see, the little holes and stuff in the leaves, it's not as many. You know, it still has a few holes from a couple years back, but nothing like it was, you guys. Maybe the next time I do one of the videos on my yard or whatever, maybe I'll show you what my husband is using to put on them, because I don't know what he's using. I don't know if he's are you using the same stuff we used last time?
Oh no, there's something different.
Something different.
Yeah.
So I had to show y'all what he's using, because what I used the last time, it didn't work, y'all. It did not work. But yeah, so today is Sunday, and it's Sunday evening, and my husband and a friend of his, they were out in the yard trying to get the yard together for summer. So that's what we was doing today. The lawnmower is still out, and we're just trying to get everything together. We still got to do mulch and all that kind of stuff, and they're getting the backyard and stuff ready, and it's just a lot to get done, you know, because over when it's winter time or whatever, we don't do a lot in the yard at all. So now we're just trying to get it together, you guys. Trying to get this thing together. All right, you guys. I will talk with you all later. Bye-bye.